Hala.
Sige na. Kabit ako ng water. Sige na, di ka na malalaglag dyan. Okay.
Medyo madilim mo. Confident ako kasi ano eh. Sobrang tibay. Ano? Kabilya ba?
Okay, ikaw, dali mo na.
Yay!
Wala kayo tayo.
Yay! Kaya nga no?
Iyan o, pathway. Nice. Buti. Sarap nito. Dagdag dugo. Tingin din sila daan. Tingin din sila daan. Haba ng dugo. Ay, wifi?
Oo, di ba?
Saan pala wala yung internet dito?
Tignan niyo naman. Oh.
Vlog ka? Saan yung tubig ba?
Oo nga, kasi nag-video ako tapos may bit-bit pa akong iba. Parang hindi naman yun fair. Hala! Oh. Oh no. Medyo mahaba siya at saka mas mataas yata.
Natatakot ko siya, may matibay naman.
Bakit? Nasabi pa ako natakot ako. Na-excite ako.
Boses mo pa lang eh.
Sabi ko, wow. Ano pala may
Buti nakita niyo ko.
Dati ko pa kasi gusto pumunta dito. Yay, yay, yay.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak.
Yan lang, ikaw na magdala nito lang.
Writes down cities
Mamaya na, start tayo ulit ng... Kasi,
and dreams
I'm so excited! I'm so excited. Hello! Morning!
still ain't good by my feet. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun.
Exciting! Shit. Nalang. Oh, mababa. Mababa naman ang tubig.
If I don't ask your name today.
Madulas ka ha?
Ay! At least naman pala yung platform niya. Wala shit. Oh my God. Hindi ka ano lang ako nakatingin na lang.
Pwede motor dito eh.
Ang ganda ng kulay ng lawn.
Madulas ha? Let's go. Tumingin kasi na dinadaanan mo ha.
moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the
Ba!
cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
Good morning.
But something in the way
Kwentong travel.
keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride,
Kapag mo
leaving
nakadaan na lang.
behind
Oh, buka na tayo kung makilipin ko.
what I hold inside. If I don't ask
Kaya-
your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't
Ako na naman
speak.
pa naman dapat sa pwede lang.
She
Or,
writes down
kung ako lang to.
secrets and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee,
Ganda.
kiss my cue, still anchored by my
Ganda ng tama ng araw. Liwanag.
but time rolls on like gold.
Sa
And soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind
wow.
what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside you. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes to
Ganda si Arlo. Baba, nakakita na pagkain.
Oh, sorry.
Kuya, wait lang po.
Wait ako yun. Hello. Ano to? Maruyan. Maruyan. Hindi tayo lang daw.
Sige. Nasa pagkain.
Sabi ko na maruyan. Pagkano po?
Kuya, pagkain. Bilhan mo rin si kuya, samahan mo.
No,
Kain.
balik ka kuya. Saan mo na?
Oo, kuya. Ganda. Ito yung kagandahan sa Awasin Falls. Yung mga gusto lang ng chill na lakad, the best to dito. Yun o. Naka-concrete na.
She moves like
Sayang. Sayang eh. Para maraming turismo. Para maraming turista pumunta dito. May experience mo yung falls, tas ito yung dadaanan mo. Worth it. Pinag-isipan.
chasing skies I never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.
SJC, baka naman. Tingnan na walang sponsor.
You carry the
Oh, ganda. Ganda ng color. Napaka-raw. Oh.
leaving behind
Uy, pamaya, nakakala ko mamaya patakpak ko.
what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
Oh, may artista. Oh.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak.
Ay, mayaman sila sa bamboo, guys.
She writes down cities on her wrist.
Huwag mo tanggalin.
She'll never.
Kasi mapapangit eh.
I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't.
Hindi naman sumakit yung pahungan. Naiangat ko kasi agad.
Oh, traveler,
Thank you, Lord.
you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind.
Doon ka, mauna ka nga kasi. Ikaw yung binibidyohan ko eh. Bilis.
Bulas ha?
Oo. Yan, taga-bukid eh. Mas lalong okay ang training.
Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage
Oh no. Lala! Hala! Oh shit. Balik doon, baba.
Record na lang. Bro? Nanginipon ko.
Oh no.
Wow.
Lalang, hawakan mo to. Kuha ako sa phone. Did you see that? No? Okay, let's go. Wah! Traffic. There's traffic.
Ganda ng falls.
Morning po. Joey, how do you feel? Can you describe your feeling to our fans? Okay. Any other adjective? Awesome. Amazing. Beautiful.
she's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my
Oh no. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Just. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Sinong di mawiwili? Have you ever heard the walk right to the blue corner? Ang ganda naman lang ga. Come on. Pa-sponsor naman po Cario at saka Nature Spring. Please, and HGC. Please, HGC. Buka naman po. Oh. Go lang go. I have to take a video with my phone. So you have to hold this camera.
Yes. Buwis buhay ito. Dugot pawis. May dugo, may pawis. Kumain ng asfalto. Z, bago makarating dito, dugot pawis to. Kumain ng asfalto. Wow. Majestic. Dulo ko. Hindi na kayo.
Oh no! Is this even real?
Ang ganda. Pwede ko picture doon, ha? God. Oh my goodness. Beautiful the nature. Ang taas niya. Grabe.
And I just stood afraid of fate if I don't take that step today. You'll vanish with the train and never see your smile.
Di ba madulas kasi? Dandahan lang. May bato naman. Kaganda. Yung mga kumain ng stalko, yan.
Ligo na tayo na lang.
Liligo ka? Tara, baba na tayo. Ganda.
Yeah, the feeling's so right. Oh,
Oh, hindi nakaligo.
Okay lang.
Okay guys. Sulit. Tandahan mala. Tandahan kayo. Ingat kayo, kain bato kayo. Dinaspalto yan. Matigas na yan. Hawak lang talaga sa ano, tali, alala. Ganda, may pa-rainbow. Tandaan lang, kain bato ka niyan. Thank you, kuya. Wow, thank you kuya. Dinala mo kami dito. Ah, sige.
What if mag-drone tayo?
Ah, sige, pag-drone na natin. Yes. Sino? Ang mga nabudol, oh. Ha? Saan? Ah, kung magkano? Sige. Saan po? Hindi, bibidyohan ko nga kayo. Sige, akyat, kain ba to? At isa lang po yung bulilito. Eh, pal ka.
Ang ganda, oh.
Yeah,
Dito,
right.
ito yung maganda. Dito. Yan pala.
Ang ganda may pa-rainbow. Look, ay ate, perfect ka dyan. May pa-rainbow pa.
Hello. Picture tayo lang to. Yung rainbow na saan? At ano yun? Ang ganda yung rainbow. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ipon! ba? Bakit ko ba? Basahin ko.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.